Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iGeekPhone.com. Today we're gonna see a mouse, a wireless mouse that I got from the Amazon site of XIDU. I wanted an optical wireless mouse for my laptop in order to take it with me and use it, and I found one very good at a very good price at the Amazon site of XIDU. As you see here, it came to me. So let's open it up. This, and it is XIDU, as you can see, H88 wireless mouse. Nice, simple package. Here there is a sticker. From what I have seen, their wireless mouse, it connects at 2.4 gigahertz. It's with an ultra compact nano receiver, and all it needs is a 3A battery in order the mouse to work. There's nothing else inside it. Here are the key features, as you can see, and some instructions, system requirements. This is the receiver. You plug it to your laptop, computer, or wherever you want. And this is the mouse. Nice, as you can see, I have a big hand and it's really very nice. Nice grip. So, you open it like that. You place inside the battery, it's shown here. As you can see, it blinks. It needs a AA battery, not a 3A. As you can see, it's written inside. I didn't notice it. So, after placing the battery inside, you can take in the receiver and put it in here. And by this way you have them all compact together. Let's take it out and connect it with my laptop. So let's connect it. So we are ready to connect our XIDU optical mouse with my laptop. Place it at a USB port. As you can see, I move the mouse. You can see that it's moved, and the mouse cursor. Nice grip, nice touch, comfortable, nice vibe. And what I like is that you can take it outside, plug it inside, and take it with you. You can find it at their Amazon store at a very good price. This is my doctor. Bye.